Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Roblox error code 0. An error was encountered during authentication. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to fix Roblox error code 0? Stay tuned because this one's for you. Alright, so what does Roblox error 0 mean? This error means that the servers are not operational. Your networking devices are misconfigured, your PC is connecting to an unreliable DNS, the network driver is outdated, there are too many cache files, or you use a VPN while trying to launch Roblox. So how do you fix this? To fix this, you can check Roblox server status. If all systems seem operational and marked with a green color, the problem is on your end. So to remedy that, if it's on your end, you can restart your PC. A quick restart can solve some network-related error codes. Or you can restart your networking devices. So find your router, modem, or other device that manages your home network and restart it by pressing the restart button. So after that, it should work. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.